Passive income, 10 ways to make money sleeping. Let's face it, nobody can achieve the lifestyle of their dreams while working a 9-to-5 job. No matter how high your monthly remuneration is, it probably gets used up by the end of the month. So, what's the key to becoming rich, and how do people increase their wealth? The answer is generating passive income. If you enjoy videos on investments, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful, so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. While your day job gives you the value for the working hours you put in, passive streams generate income in your free time. That's why these income streams are known as ways to make money while you sleep. If you want to put every hour of your day to optimal use and earn enough money to sustain a luxurious lifestyle, you're in the right place. We've listed down the potential ways to earn money while you sleep. Some of these options require you to invest your time and effort, while for others, you'll need to invest your hard-earned cash. So let's dive in. Create a blog. Blogging is one of the easiest and quickest ways to start making money online. All you need is a registered domain, a website host, and the platform where you will be doing your blogging from. Most people tend to use WordPress as their blog platform. Once you have these things established, you can start focusing on creating content that leads people to your blog. Actually, before you even start your blog, you should already have an outline of the content you will create. This will help you get going much faster so that you can start to build up your blog following. Be sure that you are blogging about something that you know. Your expertise in your subject is what will lead to people following your blog. As people start following you, look into the ways to monetize your blog. Rent out a room in your house. If you have a spare bedroom, you can rent out your room through Airbnb. It is totally up to you when the room is available, what the daily rate is, and you make the rules for your guests. A great way to make money while you're on vacation or out of town is renting out your whole place on Airbnb. Rental income is reliable and trustworthy. Eventually, some opt to invest in rental properties, but this has a higher barrier to entry. Not everyone can buy an investment property just to rent out. Peer-to-peer lending. People seeking loans prefer to skip the banks because their standards for lending are too hard for many people to satisfy. Therefore, you can lend people the money they need and earn a higher interest rate on your money for dealing directly with the borrower. There is risk involved in doing this, so be sure that you are investing money that you can stand to lose in the worst-case scenario. Sell products online. Websites like Amazon and eBay have made it easy for you to sell items around your house that you no longer need or want. If you are able to purchase the product in large quantity, you can use these sites to resell the items and generate a profit. Also, if you don't have a product you can drop shipping, and a company will handle the shipping of their product, you basically handle the marketing to initiate the sale. If you make your own products, you can sell them too. Shopify provides you with your own online store. You have many options to sell the product, and you may even try all three. Create a membership community. If you are recognized as an authority in your field, you can create a membership site where people receive high-quality information that is not available on your blog. Fees can be as low as $1 per month up to $100 or more per month. This is a great way to create passive income that occurs monthly. As long as you keep providing your members with great information, they will continue to pay the monthly fee to remain in your exclusive community. Invest in real estate. Real estate is one of the safest wealth-building investment options out there. If you have enough resources to acquire a profitable property, you can literally become rich overnight. Besides that, the real estate sector has many sub-options you can choose from. These include rental properties, commercial properties, residential estates, and property flipping options. These options require different amounts of investment and allow room for diversification to minimize your investment risk. Go for the stock market. Buying and selling stocks is perhaps one of the easiest ways to make a passive income if you can save enough money every month. To minimize your risk, you should go for long-term trading rather than day trading and generate a steady cash flow every month. First of all, you will need to acquire some valuable stock. You can buy the stock at any time, but the trick is to choose a company that is speculated to rise in value. Start a YouTube channel. Video marketing is the future of content marketing. Now video content gets more eyeballs than other content. So, I think it's the best time to produce video content to market your business online. The best part is, by creating videos, you can build an engaged audience and easily monetize them to make a huge amount of passive income regularly. So, if you love creating videos, if you want to share your knowledge and if you want to earn real passive income, you should definitely start a YouTube channel right now. License and sell your photos. If you enjoy snapping pictures of the world around you and you know that you're an excellent photographer, then you can license and sell your photos online to earn passive income. Most websites pay you based on the number of downloads. Once the photos are uploaded, you will be earning passive income every time someone purchases them. Write and sell an ebook. Writing a best-selling ebook requires some knowledge and a bit of time investment up front, but it can be a great source of passive income month after month. If you want to prove your authority while making some passive income, writing an ebook is the best option to do that. With Amazon, you can self-publish your ebooks or paperbacks easily. Just follow Amazon's book writing guide and start writing your first book. Make sure you pick a profitable niche, and don't forget to promote your ebook through social media platforms, influencers, and bloggers in that niche. If you can sell a few hundred copies the first week of launching your book, Amazon will take over and start promoting it for you. This way, you can make some real passive income from it. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!